Growing herbs in glass jars using water, commonly known as water culture or simple hydroponics, is an accessible and sustainable method for producing fresh herbs indoors. We explain the process of growing herbs in water-filled glass jars, outlining suitable herb varieties, and detailing best practices for maintaining healthy growth over time. Introduction. Urban living and limited outdoor space have increased interest in alternative gardening methods. Water-based herb cultivation offers a soil-free, low-cost solution that requires minimal space and equipment. By growing herbs in glass jars, individuals can maintain a clean, visually appealing, and productive indoor garden year-round. Materials required: glass jars or containers, clear glass preferred, fresh herb cuttings or young plants, clean room temperature water, small stones or pebbles optional for support, liquid hydroponic nutrients or diluted liquid fertilizer, sunny windowsill or artificial grow light. Suitable herbs for water growth. Not all herbs thrive in water culture. The following herbs adapt well to water-based growing systems: basil, mint, oregano, thyme, rosemary, slow-growing, parsley, cilantro, chives. Methodology: growing herbs in glass jars. Step 1. Preparing herb cuttings. Select healthy herb stems approximately 6 to 8 inches long. Cut just below a leaf node and remove leaves from the lower half of the stem to prevent rot. Step 2. Setting up the jars. Fill the glass jar with clean water, ensuring that only the lower portion of the stem is submerged. Leaves should remain above the waterline. Pebbles may be added to stabilize the plant. Step 3. Placement. Place jars in a location that receives 6 to 8 hours of indirect sunlight daily. Avoid direct, intense sunlight that may overheat the water. Step 4. Root development. Roots typically begin to form within 7 to 14 days. Once roots reach 1 to 2 inches in length, the herb is considered established. Maintenance and growth management. Water quality and changes. Change the water every 5 to 7 days to prevent bacterial growth and oxygen depletion. Always rinse the jar before refilling. Nutrient supplementation. After roots develop, add a diluted hydroponic nutrient solution every 2 to 3 weeks. Over-fertilization should be avoided as it can damage roots. Light requirements. Herbs require consistent light. If natural light is insufficient, use a grow light for 10 to 12 hours per day. Pruning and harvesting. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth. Harvest no more than 1/3 of the plant at a time to avoid stress. Preventing common problems. Yellowing leaves indicates nutrient deficiency or lack of light. Slimy roots, caused by stagnant water, increase water changes. Weak growth. Improve lighting or add nutrients. Advantages of growing herbs in glass jars. No soil mess or pests. Easy monitoring of root health, cost-effective materials and reusable, ideal for small spaces. Limitations. Some herbs grow slower in water, requires regular maintenance, long-term growth depends on nutrient supplementation. Conclusion. Growing herbs in glass jars with water is a practical and sustainable method for indoor gardening. With proper light, clean water, and regular maintenance, herbs can thrive and provide a continuous supply of fresh flavors for culinary use. This method is well suited for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Please like and subscribe to Informational Health, Body, and Relationship today. Thanks for watching.